Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that you must be preparing for your exams. Students, do you know that we are studying comparison of adjectives? So today we are going to solve some question and answers related to comparison of adjectives. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Comparison of adjectives. This is the title of our lesson. And now see question number C. Write the comparative and superlative degree of the following adjectives. Okay, so you have to write down this in your textbook. Question number C. This you have to write down in your textbook. So now I am telling you the answers, students. You have to write them in your textbook. First word is active. Comparative degree of that more active, and superlative degree of that most active. Okay, active, more active, most active. Same with handsome. Handsome, more handsome, most handsome. Next is urgent, more urgent, most urgent. Then useful, more useful, most useful. Fifth one, intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Then next, much, more, most. Little, less, least. Good, better, best. Far, farther, farthest. Bad, worse, worst. Now, let's do question number D. Underline and name the degree of comparison for each of the following sentences. First is, I know more jokes than you. Students, you have to underline the degree of comparison. Okay. So, underline the word more jokes. Okay. And you have to write down in the bracket comparative, and here is the comparison between the two things. Okay. So you have to write like this, comparative dash 2. Okay. Now see the second sentence. Honesty is the best policy. So which is the word that tells us the degree? That word is the best. So you have to underline the word best. And this shows us the degree, superlative degree. Okay. So here comparison is between more than two things. Okay. Now see third one. Princess Diana was a beautiful lady. Princess Diana was a beautiful lady. So which is the word that tells us degree? So you have to underline the word beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful lady. So you have to write down in the bracket positive degree, because here is no comparison. Can you see here any comparison? No, here is no comparison. So you have to write in the bracket positive dash no comparison. Fourth sentence. We live in the busiest part of the city. Which is the word that tells us the degree? The word busiest. So you have to underline the word busiest. And this word shows us that it is the superlative degree. And you have to write here in the bracket superlative dash comparison between more than two things. Okay? More than two things. So, next sentence. He is the nicest gentleman I know. He is the nicest gentleman I know. So, nicest is the word shows us that this is the superlative degree. So, you have to write down in the bracket superlative dash more than 2. And don't forget to underline the word nicest. Sixth is Uncle Tom had a kind master. Uncle Tom had a kind master. So you have to underline the word kind here because this is the adjective. And again, here is no comparison. So in the bracket, you have to write down positive dash no comparison. Seventh is Akbar was the greatest of all the Mughal rulers. Okay, so here you have to underline the word greatest. This word tells us that it is the superlative degree. Same, you have to write down in the bracket the word superlative dash more than 2. Now, sentence 8. The rose is lovelier than pansy. Yes, I too love rose. Rose is lovelier than pansy. So here the word lovelier, and then you have to underline this word lovelier. This tells us that here is the comparison between the two things. Which are the two things? Rose and pansy. We are doing comparison between the two flowers, rose and pansy. And again, we have added er to the adjective lovelier. So you have to underline the word lovelier. Write in the bracket comparative dash 2 because here is the comparison between the two things. Now students, I hope that you have done with question number D. Now we are going to do question number E. Fill in the blanks with comparative and superlative degree of the adjectives given in the bracket. First is David Copperfield is the most interesting book I have read. So in the bracket word is given here. So students, just pay attention. The sentence is like this. David Copperfield is the dash dash interesting book I have read. In the bracket the options are given most or more. So you have to write here most. Okay. I hope this is clear to you. Now see sentence number 2. My brother understands me more than anyone else. Okay. So the word more tells us that this is the comparative degree. So from more and most you have to write here more. Okay. Now see the third sentence. My dad is dash dash than my brother. In the bracket the words are given here young oblique younger. So you have to write here younger. My dad is younger than my mother. मम्मी से डैडी ज़्यादा यंग दिखते हैं. Fourth sentence. What is the dash dash important thing you wish to do? In the bracket, words are given more oblique most. So you have to write here most. Next, February is the dash dash month of the year. In the bracket, shortest. So you have to write here the word shortest. Now see sentence number 6. This essay is dash dash than the essay you wrote last week. Into the bracket, word is given here bad. That is the adjective. Okay. So you have to write here comparative form of bad. That is worse. Okay. So the answer is worse. This essay is worse than the essay you wrote last week. Okay. So next sentence is health is more important. So our question is like this. Health is dash dash than wealth. Into the bracket the word is given here important. So you have to write here more important. Okay. Second is a dolphin is dash dash than a human being. Into the bracket the word is given here intelligent. So a dolphin is more intelligent than a human being. Next sentence is this is the dash dash news I have heard. So this is the dash dash news I have heard today. Into the bracket the word is given good. So answer is, this is the best news I have heard today. You have to use here superlative form of the word good. Next is, Rajasthan is the dash dash state of our country. Into the bracket the word is given here dry. So our answer is, Rajasthan is the driest state of our country. So here I would like to stop, students. So this brings me at the end of this video. I would like to stop here. Bye bye, students. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.